Hi, I'm Divya Sharma, also known as Dr. Bob, and welcome to Small Budget, Big Flavours, where I'll be showing you how to combine great food and fine dining, but in a cost-effective way. So do you fancy cooking a really special meal for your other half, but don't want to splurge? Well, I have the recipe for you. How about a mushroom gnocchi with blue cheese? I think we should get cooking. So for the first step, we need to make our gnocchi. So in boiling water, put your gnocchi in and cook it as per packet instructions. So we're just going to put it all in and just let that cook. So now the gnocchi's ready, we just need to drain it. So we've made the gnocchi, drained it and set it aside, and now it's time to make our sauce. So in this pan is a knob of butter and some olive oil, and on high heat we're going to put our mushrooms in. And our onions. Give that a good stir and cook it for about 1 minute. And then we need to lower the heat and add the lid on top and cook it for about 5 minutes. So now we just remove the lid and add the garlic and stir it for about a minute. Just be careful that you don't burn the garlic. So the next step is to add in your drained gnocchi. Just get those tough bits out at the bottom with a spoon. And then again, give it a really good mix, because you want that coating of that buttery flavours all over each individual gnocchi. So now the best part is putting blobs of blue cheese all over that gnocchi and let it slightly melt so you get that cheesy, oozy flavour all over it. And if you don't have any blue cheese, you could use a softer cheese like goat's cheese. And then give it a good old shake. So I've just sprinkled on some fresh parsley to make it look extra special. And can you believe it only took 20 minutes to whip up? So you've got all the extra time to make your dinner table look extra fancy, maybe with some candlelight, some rose petals, or a nice tablecloth. Can't wait to show my hubby this.